So our next tab is table tag. So let's learn a little bit about it in the W3 school. Then we will come back in our document and create our table tag. So the table tag defines an HTML table. So you have used a table in your many times. If you have built any spreadsheet or anything else like that, you know that is a table. A table contains row, column, and kind of a data in it. Right here below this you can see browser sports element table, then Chrome, yes, then Internet Explorer symbol. This is a table, classic table example here. So you know we do use table in different way and different forms, so we will continue from it there. An HTML table consists of table tag element, okay, table, and one or more tr, th, and td elements. Tr is for table row, th is for table heading, and td is for table columns or table data, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the tr element defines table row, the th defines a table header, and td element defines a table cell. So let's create a table and how we are going to use it in our website if you want to create a table. So first we will create the table, and when we are going to start a table, sorry, my spelling mistake, we will definitely going to use close it. As you know, we have learned about tr. So again, whatever tag we open, we must close it. th for table heading, we must close it. Then table column, td. Okay, this is where you will get kind of a confused using this, so don't worry about it. I'm going to explain it, all of these, in below tags. So these are the 3 tags we are going to use. So let's create a table row, tr, and close it. And because it is inside the table tag, I'm going to put, okay, the first, the first section of table contains the heading title. Like if you are creating a list of class students, you will going to collect their name and their father name or their roll number. So first we are going to create a table heading. For that, th. So the first one I'm going to call name, and the second one th, close th. I'm to call roll number or serial number, whatever you want to call it. This is my first row, which is started here and end here. Then it contains 2 column which contains name and roll number. I'm going to create another row for actual data. Again, I will close as well. So in previously we have used th tag, which is called table heading. So now we have a simple we are going to use simple column tag, which is called td. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and paste it. So I'm going to add my first name, Benson Ali, and going to my first roll number 1. Okay, let's save it. Okay, remove this piece of code, we don't need that. So we have created a table. Then after that we have created table row. In table row we have table heading, which will come on the top, and after that we have created another table row in which we have added 2 column, name and roll number. Let's save it, go to our website and refresh. So as you can see right here, this is my table. So I have noticed a couple of times that some students, when they are working on their HTML, they get confused because the border are not showing. So if we go back to HTML w3 school and table section and go to attribute, we will find this border section right here. So border 0 or 1, and if we are going to use this border attribute right here, we are going to space bor beyond border is equal to, then quotation start and quotation end, and in between if I type 1 and save it and refresh my page, you will see the border has been now displaying, and you will easily know what kind of a number. So if I want to add another column next to the roll number, I just don't need to do anything else. I just need to copy this roll number and paste in the same row and call it whatever row I want, heading I need. Let's call it class. And for the data, again I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy that data section here and calling web page. Okay, let's save it, refresh the page, and you will see. And if you want to add another data, another row, just simply copy this data right here and undo, enter, paste, and you can give it some other name like Safely. I will give it row number 2. He is not, he is a graphic designer. So let's refresh, and you can see here. So it's up to you what kind of attribute you are going to use in your table, and how you need your table to behave. So it's really up to you. The CSS we can add or customize all of this section, and in future video we will going to learn about this. So in next video, let's talk about a listing, ordered list and unordered list, and very easy. So keep watching and see you in next video. If you like my video, like and subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and I will try to reply you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.